Hello, this is Keith Holm. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to focus on two functions, the take function and the filter function in Excel 365, and we're going to combine those two functions together to get our end result. So today's example, we're going to first filter this data set here, this entire data set, and we're going to filter it by salary where the salary is greater than $180,000. And then after we filter that set down, that data set down to any records that have a salary of greater than 180,000, we're then going to use the take function to only select the last 5 rows from that filtered data set. So let's first build the filter function. Now we're going to select the array, which is your data, and we're going to select, I'm just randomly selecting 2 columns, the category and the salary column, and Control Shift down to select all rows within that range, comma. Now, the filter function, what do we want to include in this when filtering this range right here that we selected? Well, we want to select the salary, Control Shift down, and we want to be able to find the records that have a salary of greater than 180,000. And then I'm going to close out the filter function because the last argument in the filter function is optional. Press enter. So now, as you can see, we were able to grab from this area all records that were greater than 180,000. Now, from this list here, we want to only select the last 5 rows from this list. So we're going to be selecting from here on down. So now we need to wrap the filter function with the take function. So we're going to take. So this is the array that we have here. That's the first argument to the take function. Now, how many rows that we want to get back from this result set right here? Well, in this case, we want to select 5 rows, but with the take function, it gives us an opportunity to select the last 5 rows from this result set. And the way to do that is you put a minus sign in front of the number of rows that you want returned. And then the third argument to the take function is optional. It's for the number of columns in your result set. Now, we only have 2 columns in this result set, but I want to return all of them. So in this case, it's optional. I just close out the take function, press enter. As you can see, it pulled the last 5 records from this filtered data set here. So hopefully this gave you more ideas on how you could combine functions together and how you could use the take and filter function with one another. Again, I want to thank you for stopping by today. You have a great day. Please like and share this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.